Right now, the culture of our team is tremendous. Guys are just competing, dominating. Everything we do at the best of our ability. And for me, being a leader, everything I do my teammates' heart. So just the culture has changed right now in Miami. We want to get back to just winning and focus on what's most important.
I feel like we have a lot of guys right now who have really stepped up in this offseason. Like I've said before in interviews before, the NFL and college football is different. In the NFL, if you lose your franchise players, your 8-year veteran guys, a lot of teams have issues adjusting. But for us, I feel like the guys who stepped up, they have incredible work ethics. They've all bought into our mantra and all things that we're trying to get accomplished. And I feel like with the personnel that we have coming up, we can do a lot of different, a variety of things, offensively and defensively.